bees, every once in a while you get a nuke that they just don't accept a new queen. We started this nuke probably a month ago. We put in a queen cell. She didn't come back, she didn't get mated. And we put in another queen cell, and that one didn't work out either. So at this point they're laying worker. They're just laying drones right now. So we're gonna take this nuke out a ways in the grass, shake it out, and we're gonna put these hives back in one of these other, or these frames back in these other hives. And they'll clean out those little drones and they'll put these combs back to good use so we don't waste these resources. So the theory is that if you shake these out, you know, like 50 yards away, 100 yards away, the laying workers won't be able to fly back. I don't know if that's exactly true, but this is the way we handle it anyway. It seems to work every time. So this is probably far enough.
Let's see. There's the bee yard.
I'll show you exactly what they're doing. The workers will be able to fly back and they'll find a new hive to go into. So you can see they're just sporadically laying eggs. And you can always tell because they're raised up above where a normal cell would be. So these are all just drone cells in here. Once the bees are off, you can really tell.
And they're pretty sporadic too.
Yeah.
There's no pattern to it whatsoever.
Yeah, just drones in there.
Ooh, that looks terrible.
All right, now we have actual combs that we can put into a productive hive, and they'll get these cleaned out, taken care of, and put them to good use. So get out there and enjoy your bees, guys.